Subaru is completely dead and we are going to scrap it. Saying goodbye to this lousy shitty car today. Just saw our car, now we are walking in the heavy winds and rains. I'm cold. This is the saddest day of my life in New Zealand. Oh my goodness. It's been raining non-stop for the last 2 days, and we checked the weather forecast for today. It was supposed to be sunny, cloudy, and we were supposed to do the alpine crossing. We woke up at 4:45 a.m. and then we ate breakfast at 5 a.m. to only realize that, oh, the forecast changed. It's gonna be raining all day, so our trip is cancelled. I don't know if I should be happy or not. I don't have to do a 20 km hike. I don't know if I was ready, but I'm just very annoyed that it's been raining all day long.
Later.
On a massive road trip today from Rotorua to New Plymouth. It's a 4.5 hours drive, and we're just stopping at random stops along the way just so I can get some rest and also to take some nice photos. Yeah, this is one of the random spots that I just drove in. See a toilet.